Hello students. So in this video we discuss some more problems of your mensuration under the topic of perimeter. Now in one question it is given that there is a triangle having two sides 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Suppose this is your triangle and its two sides given to you. One is 12 centimeter and other is your 14 centimeter. And also along with this it is given that perimeter is given to you. Perimeter of a triangle is given to you and that is your 30 centimeter. How is question says that find out the third side, this side. So first give the name of the figure. Suppose this side is unknown side is your C. So you have to assume that let the third side equals to, we just discussed the algebra, so it's a x centimeter. It is variable, that is unknown one. Now, so as we know from the formula, perimeter of triangle, this is a symbol of triangle, then write down the name of a triangle ABC equals to what? Sum of all the sides AB plus BC plus CA. Now AB, BC, CA. And what is the measurement of AB? It's a 12, BC, it's a X we assume, and then we have 14 centimeter. And this perimeter is given to us, that is your 36 centimeter. So we must write down this side 36. Clear? Use implies that sign. And this is your next line. This is one line, this is another line. Then 36 equals to 12 plus 14. It's a 26 plus X. Clear? Hope you are clear. Now come to this side. We continue from this. 36 equals to 26 plus X. Now shift this from this side because we just discussed the linear equation. This is a form of linear equation. 36 minus 26 equals to X. So it's a 10 equals to X. So the other side, third side equals to 10 centimeter. So you have to remember, must solve likewise the other questions. Move to the next question. In this question it is given that perimeter of a regular pentagon. I am writing what is given to us. Perimeter of regular pentagon equals to, it is given that it's 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Question says that find the each side of the pentagon. As it is given, it's a regular pentagon, means each side equals to each other. Sides are equal to each other. So from this you can easily write down 5 into side means equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore side equals to 100 divided by 5. It's a 20 centimeter. This is the solution. Now move to the next question. In this question it is given that there is a string. There is a string and the length of the string is given to us. It's a 30 centimeter. Clear? Length of the string is given to us. Suppose this is your string and this string is given to us. It's a 30 centimeter. Now question says that what will be the length of each side if the given string is used to form a square. So in case of square, we always remember that if we form this string as a square, what does it mean? It means we bend this one somehow look like likewise, we bend likewise so that you can form a square or rectangle or circle. Then question asks to you find the length of the each side. Means what? If this type of question given to you, it means if total length of string is given and you have to form in a square. So question says that perimeter of square is 30 centimeter, and from formula we know that 4 into side is 30. So what is the side? One side equals to 30 upon 4. It's a 15 upon 2, or we can write 7.5 centimeter. This is your answer. So similarly, there are more questions, more part, you will solve it. Now move to the next question. See on the board, on left hand side it is given that there is a rectangle. Actually in question it is given that there is a rectangular park having length 225 meter and breadth 115 meter. Question says that find the cost of fencing, total cost of fencing with the rate of 13 rupees 13 per meter. So for this we have to find out the perimeter. Here we have length given to us, breadth given to us. Cost is also given, rupees 13 per meter. Question says that find the cost. So first we have to find out the perimeter, then find the cost. Two into L plus B, and this is 2 into 2 to 5 plus 115. It's a 340. It is your 340, clear, and it's a 680 meter, but this is the perimeter. Now cost of fencing, equals to 680 into 13, 13 8s are 104, 10 carry, 13 6s are 78, 78 plus 10, it's a 88. So 8840 rupees. Please check, is there any mistake in calculation or not? If there is a mistake, you must find the mistake and give me the mistake in comment part. Now in next question, there is a bigger question, in a divide question in two parts. In this question it says that first it says that Pinky, there is a girl Pinky, runs 8 times around a rectangular park with length 80 meter and breadth 55 meter. So first we have to give the heading. First, Pinky. Clear? It runs along a rectangular park having length 80 meter, breadth 55 meter. Clear? And she run 8 times. Clear? So here we have length equals to 80 meter, breadth equals to 55 meter. So perimeter equals to, always write formula as I told you earlier. Then 2 into 80 plus 55, it's a 2 into 135, it's a 270 meter. Now, but question says that Pinky runs 8 times. So total distance covered, I have not written, read the formula. Read the question properly. Total distance equals to 8 into 270. It's a 280. Clear? 80 80, 87 56, 5 carry, 8 2 16, 16 5, this meter. This is the one part, that is a part of Pinky. Clear? It's a 2160. It is not visible to you, but you can easily understand. Now our next part is for Raju. Now I am reading the question first. That not Raju, Pankaj. While Pankaj runs 7 times round a square park of side 75 meter. Okay, it's good. Who covers more distance and by how much? So first find out the distance covered by Pankaj. We use the same thing. First we draw a square. Clear? And having side 75 meter. Clear? So perimeter equals to 4 into side equals to 4 into side is 75. It's a 300 meter. Now total distance of Pankaj, I am talking about Pankaj, total distance of Pankaj take a 7 round, 7 into 200, 300, it's a 2100 meter. So who covers more? Pinky cover more. So you write down 2160 is greater than 2100. So Pinky travels more, travels or covers more. How much? 2160 minus 2100 equals to 60 meter. Clear? So that's all for this video. Hope you can easily understand the last part of the question. First we have to find out the Pinky's total distance, then find out the Pankaj's total distance, then check which one is greater. Pinky's total distance is greater than the Pankaj, so Pinky travel more. How much? It's a 60 meter. So that's all for today. Complete your work in your fair copy. Thank you.